In this video, we're gonna expose your home network to the internet. Now don't be scared, it's completely secure. And it's kinda crazy actually. But we're not creating rules on your firewall, exposing ports 80 and 443, which is what we might do in a reverse proxy. No, we're not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna create a tunnel. And with this tunnel, we'll be able to expose anything on your home network. Any websites, Proxmox server, anything you actually have on your home network, securely exposed to the internet through this tunnel. I'm telling you, this is nuts. Everything you expose will have an SSL cert and a subdomain, even if you only have HTTP and a self-signed cert. Now it doesn't matter which kind of home network do you have. I know some of you, ISP sucks, you get CGNAT and all of that. This will work. Here's what we need. First, we need a domain name. I'll set up now one real quick from Google Domains. Second, we need a computer or server running inside your home network which will install Cloudflare Tunnel. And from there, we will be able to tunnel to Cloudflare. After that, from Cloudflare, we can route our traffic with subdomain to our home network with SSL cert and all. That's pretty much what we need. Let's get started. Step 1. Let's go buy a new domain. Go to Google, Amazon Web Services. Here I'm using Amazon Web Services. You can actually use any other domain providers. Let's go AWS, sign in, and then Route 53. Register domain. What should I name it? Check. It's available. Select it. See to checkout. Next. Let's fill this information. Step 2. Let's go to Cloudflare. Sign up. Let's go with the free plan. Email workmall@gmail.com. The password. Sign up. If you go a bit down, you will see that you have a free plan. Click continue. So right on this page, if you go a bit down, you will see Cloudflare name servers. We will head back to AWS now and update those name servers in AWS. Now let's go to AWS. We have our registered domain. Let's go to actions, edit name servers. We'll copy the first name server, put that here. Copy the second name server, we'll put that here. And then we will remove those two entries. And then click Save Changes. Now they usually say that it can take up to 24 hours for the name servers to update, but in my case, it usually takes a moment. Now as you can see, Elon Musk home network is now active. The next step is to go to Zero Trust. Let's click on that. Let's name our team home elon.cloudflareaccess.com. Next. The next step is to select a plan. We will go with the bundle, $0. We don't have to worry about standard or enterprise. We will go with the select plan and proceed to payment. There is a payment here on Cloudflare. It's just for verification purposes only. Add payment method. Cloudflare offers many things in Zero Trust. However, we are only now interested in tunnels. So let's go to Access, Tunnels, and then Add Tunnel. Let's name it Musk Tunnel. Save. Guys, this is actually very crazy. As you can see, it provides us with many operating systems which we can install the tunnel on. But my favorite is Docker. Let's click on Docker and let's copy this command. For now on my Ubuntu server with Docker installed, let's check. Yes, let's paste the command, but we have to change one thing. Let's go in the beginning, Control A, and then we have to add -d to run this Docker command in the background. Let's click enter. And yes, it's running. It's so much simple, guys. Now the next step is to add a public host name. And here we have to set the subdomain. Now let's say I want to expose my Proxmox server, which is located inside my home network. Let's type that here and then select the domain, Elon Musk home network. The type will be HTTPS. And here the URL is actually the private IP address inside your home network. Let's select that. Now in my case, Proxmox server have a self-signed cert. In that case, we'll go to additional application settings, TLS, and then no TLS verify. We'll choose that. Let's go to save hostname. And now, if we will go to the browser and then type proxmox elonmuskhome.network.com, it's actually working, guys, as you can see. Now, how easy is that? You don't need to worry about certificates or exposing any ports on your firewall. You have to admit, this is the easiest way of exposing your home network resources on the internet. I mean, just in a few clicks, you can host your own website on your Raspberry Pi, no matter what type of network do you have, and still people can securely access it. Let me know, guys, if you have done it, and I'll see you on the next one.